Hello Facebook people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to analyze together ads that have spent millions. Have you ever wondered how an ad that has spent millions is looking? Have you ever wondered what kind of angle it had, why people were clicking?
Yeah.
Let's go into my PC, let's break down 5 of these ads that they have spent millions and millions from really well-known brands, and we will take it from there. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, speed caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month, sometimes it's even more, across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more, so I know what is currently working and all the latest trends, and this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below, you can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. Okay, let's start with the first one. It's coming from a brand called Huel. If you don't know it, go check it. It's a massive brand. And basically here the target is the average British man, as you can see, that not hitting your macros, okay? And let's see the hook immediately. What percentage of our daily recommended amount of fiber do you reckon the average Brit gets, okay? So it has also the source, just so that it can be 50%. Well, my answer is Huel, and it's not just a protein drink, it's a nutritional, complete meal with everything your body needs, including fiber. So what are we getting immediately? That if you don't have the time, if you have a fast life, all of that, you can go and you can go immediately to that. Now, be careful of the different stages over here in Eugene Schwartz's 5 stages. We have the unaware, problem aware, solution aware, product aware, and most aware. This is coming to the mastering the unaware. So here you're not going to talk so much about the product, but you're going to try to introduce the problem to the people. Somebody who is running every day with their job, do they know about this? This is why it's giving you a fact. You are hurting yourself. You're doing something which is not correct. Maybe you don't know it. You are not aware of the problem, okay? Tesco stores, and it talks also about that you can check it there and stuff. So this is an ad which is taking you inside the, oh, I didn't know about that. Am I one of the people that is getting only 50%? Should I take this? Do you know? This is one of the ads that it has converted more for Huel. And let's go check another one to another stage. So in this one, we're going to discuss about you are aware now that there is a problem, okay? And it's again about busy working individuals, because this is what the brand is about. How can you prepare meals which are nutritious, you're not getting fat because of them and stuff. And here is attack the enemy, the junk food, okay? So we have this. Looking fast food without junk, Huel over here. Without junk, Huel has you covered. Okay, so this fast food, you make it fast, but it's also nutritious. It shows the alternatives over here, which is the fast food, or you can prepare something. It shows how super quick it is. I don't know if they're convincing a lot about the super tasty because it looks like, it doesn't look so nice, but I think they could have done better work over here on this. The only thing that it's convincing that it's nice, of course, at the end of the day, if you don't test it, you don't know if it's nice or whatever. But for sure here, this is an ad that it has converted out for them, and this is the problem aware. You know that there's a problem, that I'm not eating properly because I don't have the time, I'm very busy. So I'm introduced with a solution over here. And before we move to the next one, we can see that here the hook is super obvious, okay? Looking for fast food without the junk, okay? So the hook is to address the problem: agitation, no time for meal prep, wasting money, wasting time in queues to take products and stuff, product introduction, benefits, quick and tasty, product demonstrations, so how to prepare it fast and all the nutrients that you need with a call to action. Let's go to the next one, which is coming to the solution aware stage over here. And this is one that it's having people who work with a nutritionist or a dietitian and cook at home. For me, this is also the category of the people that they go to the gym and everybody's talking to them about you have to prepare your meals and all of that. Huel is better than cooking at home and cheaper than a nutritionist. So let's watch it first and then let's analyze it. It has a guy who is eating some leaves. So as you can understand immediately, this is a hook. It's a visual hook immediately that it can capture someone to watch. Versus Huel with nutritionist and stuff, preparing the meals, it shows how much time it's taking. Instead of you have to go to the supermarket, you have to go buy it, And because it's like this, you end up taking pizza or something like that. But there's an alternative to that because you're losing money on the fast food. What if you take Huel, which is cheaper, and you're going to eat healthier, okay? So this is the alternative. Hook, call to action, the current situation, production comparison, meal prep vs ready in 30 minutes, grocery shopping vs 1 minute online purchase, no Friday takeaways vs worry-free Friday takeaway, 1,000 spent in nutritionist vs 28.50 without all of that, okay? And the feature is that it's formulated by a nutritionist. Now, this is not your typical UGC. The US vs them concept is popular for static images, which Huel used a lot of, but it's a great example of targeting an audience who's aware of the solution, healthy eating through meal prep, nutrition and cooking at home, but are not aware that Huel can replace all that for a fraction of the cost, okay? So this is what they're attacking over here, and this is why it has worked. As you can see, the way you unlock a solution-aware market is by addressing a pre-existing desire within the headline of the static image or the hook of the video ad, okay? So this is what we are having over here. Let's go to another brand. Let's go to Loop, which is basically earplug, just another simple product that is being sold as it's something which is producing crazy science. Let's go with a fairly simple one, okay? So airport hack, it says here, okay? So let's see it. I'm never taking a flight to the airports, which are chaotic without this. There's noise, stress, all of that. So it's actually finding you a problem. Have you ever thought that the airports are noisy and this is a problem for you? No, but now by watching the video, maybe you're thinking of it, okay? That you don't want to have that. Or maybe you're going to put it in a situation that is closer to that. Dive into your book, Okay, that's it. So here we are creating the problem, okay? Mastering the unaware. Unaware people who don't know they have a problem, okay? So here we are telling them this is a problem, okay? They don't know it. Frequent travelers, airport hack, hook, open the video sparking people's curiosity. What should I never do again, okay? So problem introduction, product introduction, and this is how it works. It has also another thing which actually intrigued me over here with this brand is that by testing, they have found a different angle, which was ravers. Listen now the crazy part. So ravers go to the rave parties because they want to listen to music, but the music is so loud that they have a problem about that. So they end up using this product, and this company has found it after testing at different angles, or maybe they have seen for example, the reviews, as we do on the review cluster analysis video that we are going to put a link below. They have seen that the ravers are the ones that they're actually converting because they want to go hear the music, but it's so loud, so maybe they can go with noise cancellation and hear the music. Crazy stuff, okay? So let's see another ad about this. Let's see this one. Ravers, loud music and ringing ears. Hook, relevant question. Production, introduction, production, functionality, and so on. Okay, let's see. If you spend time around loud music and loud sounds, you're going to need this. I find the sound to be obnoxious loud at most concerts and clubs. Allows me to enjoy the music, the loop, without dealing with the car fatigue after. Even when I'm on road and traveling, they help, blah, blah. So it just shows now, this guy is walking on the street, it's not loudy, it's the streets of India, which if you have been there, you know that they're really loud all the time. So this is the one. And this is on the stage that there are people that they're aware about this, okay? This is though the introduction over here, this lady over here that is not wearing a lot of clothes. anyway, this one, that says styles accessory ravers, okay? So it wears it also as accessory, but it's also introducing that you can wear this into a rave party, okay? In Tomorrowland, as it says. Ruins a corset for me, so she talks about that, okay? So she also uses the same color. It shows that it has colors and stuff, and it is introducing that this is another angle that you can sell it. Who would thought of that, right? That you're creating this product and you will end up sending it to ravers, okay? Let me show you another angle and then we'll close the video. They have also this angle, which I don't want to focus on because it's a sensitive subject, but I'm just throwing it here so that you can think of it. Look at another clever angle, which is just going to be applied to, because okay, this is about a chef which is working on a loud kitchen and all of that, and maybe in real life it's not going to work, but who knows? Maybe you have to hear what is happening within the kitchen, but here a lot of other jobs, they're going to say, oh, I'm a waiter, maybe I should wear this, or I'm working there, I'm working on construction, maybe I should wear it, for example, and stuff. So let's see this video over here. People working on a restaurant, real challenge, loop, stop feeling overstimulated at work, tune on to necessary noise. Okay, we have no mix-ups, everything is fine because you're wearing it. The manager loves them too. I don't know if he's a waiter or a chef. I guess he's not a chef, he's a waiter. If you go somewhere and you are calling to the waiter and he's not turning, maybe he's wearing the loop, okay? So people working at restaurant, people owning a restaurant, stop feeling overstimulated at work, prevent your team from feeling overstimulated at work. Hook, introducing the problem. Agitation, trouble focusing if you have ADHD, which is another completely different angle that you can approach for this product. Product introduction, benefit, tune out of the noise but still hear the important stuff. Friends at work wear them too, which is the social proof. Work is less stressful, no more mix-ups. Your manager will also love it, and call to action. So that's it. I hope you got an idea of how these companies are using the different angles, the different hooks, and they are trying to sell the product from different perspectives, because this is what I'm also teaching people to do. With different angles. Until now in theory, now I'm showing a little bit more of creatives so that you can understand what I'm talking about. If you don't know how to do your creatives, reach out to me. I'm working with a very big agency. We are doing creatives also, UGC, videos, whatever, helping brands scale, because I was just telling them all of this kind of stuff and they were giving me bad creatives, so I started also producing creatives while I was doing ads for some companies, and it worked. So if you are on them, let me know and I will see you for the closing of the video. As you can understand, it's August. I'm trying to make more relaxed videos so that you can have your fun, relax and stuff. There is no point to talk about crazy methods, optimization and stuff. Let's all relax. Q4 is coming. We will talk a lot about this then. I'm focusing more on creatives right now, a little bit of you starting preparing about the different creatives that you need to start creating from the Q4, and it's a more relaxed topic. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my course where we are analyzing things like that, and we are of course talking about other things like the crazy method and optimization, as I said earlier, which you're going to use both in the next Q4. Below you can see all the testimonials from the people that have completed, and if you're still hesitant, you can go and you can click the link to check the free course, which is part of the main course, and you can decide if you like it or not. Also, I have my mentorship programs. I don't know if I'm going to have open spots for Q4. Right now I have one spot or two, but I believe that maybe these spots are going to be depleted at the start of September, so I cannot promise when this video is going to go live or whatever, I don't know. You can check below all the testimonials from the people that they have completed them. Daily calls, optimizing daily. It's for higher spenders, the people that they are spending more. This is why it's so expensive, and this is why it's going to stay forever so expensive. Until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.